Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to create PayPal account without any stress, a step-by-step guide tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open your browser. So I'm going to make use of Chrome browser right here. So what I'm going to do is to simply click on my Chrome browser. Then I have to come to my address bar right here. I will type in PayPal. Then press enter key on my keyboard. And just like so, it's taking me to this particular page. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on the first result right here, paypal.com. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on sign up. So the next thing you want to do is to enter your email account into this particular page. So I'm going to enter my mail account straight up. Just like so. Having entered your mail account, click on next. Then check your security challenge. I'm a human. Click on that. Then you'll be asked to enter your phone number. Okay. So right here, I'm going to enter my mobile number straight up. Then click on next. Then click on I'm a human. So at this point here, you need to create your login password. So straight up, I'm going to enter my login password. Then click on next. You can simply save the password to Google, just like so. So at this point here, you have your nationality to click on here to choose your nationality. So I'm a Nigerian. I'm going to select Nigeria. Right here, you have to enter your name and make sure that the name you're going to enter here is in line with your official ID, which simply means that the same way you have the name on your national passport or driver's license is the same way you're going to enter it right here. So I'm going to enter my first name straight up. Then my last name, then my date of birth, just like so. Then I'll click on next. Then you have to enter your address right here. Then click on here. Make sure you check on this. Then click on agree and create an account. Then at this point here, click on not now. Then simply scroll down, click on not now. Boom. And you have your account created successfully without any stress. So basically, this is how to create a PayPal account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.